Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna be sharing with you this very beautiful and easy to make crochet pocket shawl. This is just simple double crochet row repeat pattern, and beautiful border edge pattern is made on this shawl, and I have added granny square pattern pockets on it. Granny square pattern is already available on my channel. So in this video, I am gonna be sharing with you shawl pattern actually. So let's start this shawl pattern. I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook, which is equal to 2 mm crochet hook size, and I am using a 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You can take even or odd number of chains for this project. Now make 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and go into the 4th chain. From the hook, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first, and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the next chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first, and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Then into the next chain, make 1 double crochet. Then into the next one, make 1 double crochet. And in this way we would make 1 double crochet in each of these chain. I am showing you mini version. You can take chains according to the inch measurement of your width. Now make 3 chains to start the second row. Turn up the work and skip first double crochet stitch. Into the next one, make 1 double crochet. Then into the 3rd stitch, make 1 double crochet. Then into the 4th stitch, make 1 double crochet. Then into the 5th one, make 1 double crochet. In this way, make double crochets in each of these stitches, and in the end we are going to make double crochet in this second last stitch. And here is our chain 3, which is also counted as a stitch. So in this 3rd chain, make 1 double crochet. Then make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet in every row. Then into the 2nd stitch, make 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet into the 3rd stitch, 1 double crochet into the 4th one, and then 1 double crochet into the 5th one. And in this way we are going to make 1 double crochet in each of these stitches till the end, and our last stitch would be in 3rd chain. So make 1 double crochet in this 3rd chain. Make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. Turn up the work again, and into the 2nd stitch, make 1 double crochet. Into the 3rd stitch, make 1 double crochet. Into the 4th stitch, make 1 double crochet. And in this way complete double crochet stitches till the end. So I have a patch of 5 stitches now. Make unfinished double crochet stitch in this third chain, and we are going to join this purple color for the border edge pattern. Now make chain 1, and on the side of this double crochet stitch, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch, then a second single crochet on the same stitch, then make single crochet 1 and single crochet 2 on the side of the next chain 3, then on the next row side stitch make 2 double crochet stitches, and then onto the next stitch make 2 double crochet stitches like this, then onto the next one make 2 single crochet stitches. Cut this yarn, and for this corner we are simply going to make single crochet 1, single crochet 2 and single crochet 3. Then we are going to make single crochets in each of the next stitches base chain, which is the starting point of our project. So make single crochets in each of these stitches till the next corner, and here we have our last stitch, double crochet stitch, make a single crochet into it, and our corner is this chain 3. So this first chain of this chain 3, which is counted as a double crochet, we are going to make our corner stitches. So make single crochet 1, single crochet 2 and then single crochet 3 into it, then make single crochet 1 and single crochet 2 on the side of this chain 3, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 on the side of this double crochet stitch, and repeat the same process for the corner. Here in the chain 3 of corner make 3 single crochet stitches and then 1 single crochet in each of these stitches till the end. I have made 3 single crochet stitches in this last stitch because this is our corner stitch. Now make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch, make chain 1 and make a single crochet in this same single crochet stitch, then make chain 1 and chain 2, and into this same stitch where we have made single crochet make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 like this. Then we are going to skip 2 stitches and into the third stitch make single crochet, make chain 1 and then chain 2, into the same stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, skip 2 stitches, into the third one make single crochet, again chain 1 and then chain 2, into the same stitch double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, skip 2 stitches, into the third single crochet stitch make a single crochet, make chain 1 and then chain 2, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch, and here is our corner. For the corner you can just adjust the stitch size. So here skip one stitch only and make a single crochet into the second one, then make 2 chains and a double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same single crochet stitch, and we are going to skip 2 stitches and into the next one make single crochet like this. So for the corners you can adjust stitches. On some corner you may have to skip 2 stitches, like here you can see stitch length is more, so skip 2 stitches and into the third single crochet stitch make a single crochet. So adjust the corners like this, and rest of the pattern would be the same by making 2 chains, 2 double crochet into the same stitch and then skip 2 and a single crochet into the next one. In this way this beautiful border pattern is made on this shawl. So mini patch is ready. You can use tapestry needle to weave all the yarn ends. Now you can make this shawl without pocket if you want as well. You can see this shawl, and I have made this shawl according to my own size. This is 10.5 inches wide and its length is more than 60 inches. So I cannot show you in the video. You can make 70 inches, 75 or more than that according to your own length. And I have added this beautiful granny square pocket on this other side. So you can make simple wrap shawl and you can convert it to pocket shawl as well if you like pocket shawls. Link of granny square pattern will be available in the description box. This is very simple pattern which is available on my channel already, so that's why I am not showing you in this video. So make single crochet round around this granny square patch as well. It will be easy to join it with single crochet round and in the end. And this is our final product. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.